Your turn to answer the question. Do you support the MAHA movement? That's Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s Make America Healthy Again movement. On May 22nd, President Trump's Make America Healthy Again Commission published a report outlining their platform to improve the quality of health of Americans. Their report specifically addressed improving the health of children, and they zeroed in on 4 key factors that they say are going to make our American children healthy again. One of them is poor diet and ultra-processed foods. Secretary Kennedy's Department of Health and Human Services has already started working on the poor diet and ultra-processed foods. They are working on a new food pyramid. I'm not sure how effective that will be. I don't know if anybody pays attention to the old food pyramid. They've removed ultra-processed foods from SNAP benefits. And they've created a report of food additives of potential concern. And very recently, President Trump and Secretary Kennedy have been posting about their great success in getting people to remove these additives from their food. For example, Skittles not using a particular red dye, and Coca-Cola switching to natural sugar in their Coke products instead of high fructose corn syrup. I'm not sure how much benefit the country is going to get from people drinking Coke made with real sugar or eating Skittles that aren't red. These are not health foods, but nevertheless, these are the kinds of successes that the MAHA movement is already claiming. The second thing that the report focuses on is environmental chemical exposures, and this includes things like microplastics, like pesticides, like fertilizers. This initially seemed like it was going to be a big area of focus, but then it ran smack into the problem that it contradicts the Trump administration's policy of rolling back as many environmental regulations as possible, and it's also not supported by farmers. Chronic stress is the third area of focus. I tie this to things like excess screen time. Chronic stress also leads to sleep deprivation and lots of other harmful health issues. These are certainly known risk factors for poor health, but the report stops short of saying what they're going to do about it. And in fact, the Trump administration is cutting back on mental health services, not increasing them. And I haven't yet seen any other proposals about what to do about this, but maybe that's coming in the future. And the fourth major concern is overmedicalization. These are things like antidepressants, GLP-1s, ADHD medications, antibiotics, and yes, vaccines. One thing that Kennedy did, which I think is a good thing, is he set up a disclosure process where anybody on the Vaccine Safety Commission has to disclose any conflicts of interest. And indeed, many people did have ties to pharmaceutical companies that were manufacturing these vaccines. Do you support this movement? Are you on board with Kennedy?